You've been lied to. They told you looks don't matter. It's what's inside that counts. But science says otherwise. Attractive people earn up to 20% more than their less attractive peers. In job interviews, better-looking candidates are more likely to get hired, even with the same qualifications. In relationships, dating apps prove that 80% of women go after the top 10% of men, based purely on looks. The harsh truth? Beauty is a form of power. It affects your career, relationships, and even how strangers treat you, whether you like it or not. This isn't just a theory. It's backed by psychology, economics, and social science. And today, we're exposing the dark side of beauty, how it secretly controls your life, and what you can do about it. The beauty advantage, why attractive people have it easier. It's called the halo effect. Psychologists found that when someone looks good, we assume they are smarter, kinder, and more capable. This bias exists everywhere. Job market, taller, better-looking men make more money. Social life, attractive people get more attention and respect. Justice system, studies show good-looking criminals get lighter sentences. Even in childhood, teachers subconsciously favor attractive students. Parents give more attention to their cuter kids. This is the world we live in. And whether you like it or not, looks impact every part of your life. But here's where it gets even darker. The ugly truth. When looks work against you, being attractive isn't always an advantage. Sometimes it's a curse. For men, over-attractiveness in men can lead to being seen as less competent in corporate settings. In friendships, men with pretty boy looks often face more jealousy and competition. For women, the beauty trap, where women are judged for their looks instead of their intelligence. Attractive women in male-dominated workplaces often struggle to be taken seriously. And then there's beauty privilege versus beauty discrimination. Studies show that people who are too attractive may be seen as untrustworthy or manipulative. Meanwhile, those who are not conventionally attractive often face social exclusion and invisibility. The reality, beauty is a double-edged sword. The social media effect, how filters and fake beauty are changing the game. We are living in the most beauty-obsessed era in history. Social media has distorted beauty standards, creating an unattainable artificial ideal. Filters, AI, and plastic surgery are making it harder to know what's real. People are now comparing themselves to perfect images that don't even exist. And the results? Rising insecurity. More people, especially young men and women, are struggling with self-esteem. Surge in cosmetic procedures. Plastic surgery among men has increased by 325% in the last 2 decades. A dating crisis. People reject real-life partners because they don't match their filtered expectations. This constant comparison culture is making people more insecure than ever. And the worst part? It's being exploited for profit. The beauty industry. How you're being manipulated. Make no mistake, beauty is a billion-dollar business. The global beauty industry is worth over $500 billion. It thrives on one thing, making you feel unattractive. Every product, every ad, every influencer post is designed to make you think, you're not good enough. You need to fix yourself. Buy this product and you'll finally be attractive and accepted. This is intentional psychological manipulation. They create problems that don't exist, so they can sell you solutions. And the cycle never ends. How to win. Using psychology to your advantage. So, what can you do? How do you escape the dark side of beauty and use it to your advantage? 1. Maximize your appearance without chasing unrealistic standards. Fitness, grooming, and dressing well can increase your perceived attractiveness by up to 30%. Posture and confidence can make you look more attractive instantly. Your aura, energy, and charisma matter just as much as your face. 2. Leverage perception psychology. The power of presence. People are attracted to those who own their space. The confidence illusion. If you act like you belong, people will believe you do. 3. Detach your self-worth from beauty. Understand that true value comes from competence, intelligence, and charisma. Work on developing skills and financial independence, because status and success outrank looks in long-term attraction. Break free from social media's beauty trap. Stop comparing yourself to fake images. Reduce mindless scrolling and start focusing on real-world improvement. Final message. Beauty is power, but it's not everything. Yes, looks matter. That's the brutal truth. But they are not the only thing that defines your success or relationships. The real secret? You don't need to be model-level attractive to win in life. What truly makes someone irresistible? Confidence, social skills, success and status, a strong sense of self-worth. At the end of the day, beauty fades, but power, intelligence, and success last forever. If this video changed the way you think, subscribe to Simplify actually for more game-changing insights on self-improvement and success.